Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can change programs that auto start in Windows 10. So for doing this you just need to open Control Panel, click here, in search write Control, and here you will see Control Panel. Now you choose Programs, here Programs by default, and here Setup Programs, and now just wait some time after it will be loaded, and here you see Auto Start, and here you see all programs, all that starts after Windows start. So here you can off some programs, for example Skype, and now when Windows will loading on your computer, Skype won't open by default. So here you also can or turn it on or off. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.